Well, I decided we should check in with all our upstairs cats today. Here's Friday, laying on the bed, enjoying her life, as she so often does. She's stolen Vika's spot here, because Vika's usually staying with the baby these days. Let's go find Pee-wee and Air Potato. Okay, there's Pee-wee up top on the cat tree, snoozing in the sun. She's almost completely asleep, but I woke her up, so I'll give her a little tickle. Very cute. Oh, nice yawn, Pee-wee. And down on the lower level in the hut is Air Potato. Love you, Air Potato. Isn't he cute? Bye.